everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily sign out of your ReelShort application using mobile device. So let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your ReelShort application and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. If you're already logged into your account, then you can easily log out of it with a click of a button. From the main homepage, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Now you'll be able to see your account information and other options. Simply tap the setting button at the bottom, and at the bottom of the next page, you should be able to see the sign out option. Before signing out, make sure that you remember the method that you chose while signing up or signing in to your ReelShort account. To quickly sign out of the service, tap on Sign Out, which will redirect you to this page and you will be able to sign out of your ReelShort account. If you ever want to sign in, you'll need to go ahead and get to this page and tap on Sign In. Follow the prompts, choose one of the sign-in method you'd like to use, and you should be able to get hold back of your account again. So that's how easy it is to sign out or log out of ReelShort using the ReelShort application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.